Welcome to our comprehensive guide on managing email notifications in Trello. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of enabling or disabling email notifications within Trello boards. Email notifications can be a lifesaver for staying updated on crucial tasks, or they can sometimes flood your inbox, causing unnecessary distractions. Learning how to tailor these notifications to suit your workflow is essential. Go to Settings. You have three options in notification settings: never receive notification, periodically or instantly. Also, you can select which notifications you'd like to receive via email. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.